Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be unboxing the Iron Giant Steelbook Signature Edition from FYE. This is exclusive to them. Here's the back if you guys want to pause it, see the special features. I don't believe that this one comes with the digital download, but I guess we're going to find out. Here's the front. It's more of a metallic, I guess glossy finish on this one, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And there's the back. We have the spine. We have the inside with the Blu-ray. And there's the artwork for the inside of the steelbook. And the full steelbook. So yeah, thanks for watching guys.